Tell me why this wig got me acting like I'm the birthday.
Grab your ladies if your lady fine. Tell her she the one for life. Ladies, grab your fellas and let's do this right.
Okay, so today's hair is from WowAngel, and I'm super excited because I have the brown highlighted HD lace wig. This is a 13x6 full frontal wig. It's body wave, 26 inches, and the density is 250. Okay, but let's get into my favorite part. Well, one of my favorite parts of the wig, the lace. They always send a scalp in the mail, okay? It's already bleached and plucked. You ain't gotta do no work. They do have an elastic band, so you can wear it glueless if you want, and it does have extra combs for security. I threw it up on my mannequin head so you guys can see up close how good this hairline is. I am obsessed with their hairlines, okay? And the parting is deep. This is the overall view of the unit. The back of it straight out the pack, nice and full, soft. Y'all, the color is everything. Okay, y'all, so this is the hair straight out the box. I have not washed it, but the hair is nice and silky and soft as it is. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry it out just so I can do the curls. Y'all, when I tell y'all this hairline is freaking tea, I literally have no work to do besides cutting off this lace and installing it. I love this unit. I'm going to lightly tint the lace using the Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the level 12. I'm using the dark shade and just put some underneath of it. Cream foundation works better with HD laces. I am going in to do a little bit of hot combing. First, I'm going to place some wax around the hairline just lightly. Now, mine is falling apart. I don't know why, but I'm still going to use it because this one has heat protecting built in it. So I still want to protect the hair while putting heat on it. I don't want to do too much hot combing around the parting area because I still want some volume there, and around the hairline, like just very lightly. Like I said, you ain't gonna need to do too much because the way they pluck it, it's gonna look laid either way. Okay, so I'm just trimming some of the lace off, and mind you, this wig is big head friendly. If you got a big head, you gonna fit in this, trust and believe. Okay, so you're gonna have to cut off some of the lace because you're not gonna need all of it. I am going in to secure my wig down today using my Kiss Lace adhesive. It's a little warm outside. So I am going to put a couple of layers on so she sticks down. But as you guys can see, this lace just melts right into my freaking skin. And that's what I say. I love their laces because just a little bit of cream foundation, just a little bit. You don't need too much because it's HD. I'm just going to make sure the line of demarcation is blended a little bit better by using Got2b glue spray. Please make sure you use your blow dryer and dry it down before you add your melt band. Now, this step is actually optional. You don't really have to do this, but I feel like for me, it works best when I'm doing curls. So I like to go in just with a little bit of water, just dampen the hair, and take a little bit of my Heat Silkening Cream and then just place it throughout the hair. I use about 2 pumps on each side, and I just like to go through and blow dry the hair. I don't know. I just feel like when I start with a clean canvas, I just get the perfect curls. Like I said, normally I would wash the hair before I start installs, but if I don't, this is my little like cheat code. Okay, I just wanted to pop in really quickly while I'm waiting for my tool to heat up. If you struggle with curling, you need one of these. 2 settings on here. You can curl away from your face on both sides. So obviously on your left hand side, you're gonna click the left button, and for the right hand, you're gonna click the right button, and that's it. So you can get these curls on this unit
at home with this.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and section this off. I'm gonna show you guys how you do it. So you want to take a good size about this. Do not take too much hair in there because it's not gonna curl. I promise you it won't. So just like a little section like this, and you're gonna place it right up to your head and just let it rival in itself. You don't have to do any work. And like I said before, depending on how you want your curls, you can either curl away from your face or towards your face. So I love that. Now you only can get one type of curl with this, but like I said, for the people who don't feel like or don't really know how to curl like that, this is gonna make it look like you know what you're doing when you don't. Okay, after I curl it, I do take my Kenra hairspray and I do go ahead and pin them up. Pinning them up after you get done is going to ensure and hold your curl pattern. If you don't do this, your curls may drop quicker than you would like. Okay, so I do recommend pinning them up. Buying you some clips, get some duck clips off of Amazon and pin them up and let them sit and cool before you take them down. I forgot a little piece there, but anyway, I'm gonna take this off because I don't want that line around my head, because I've been having this band on for a minute. And also I do want to mention that it's like a 30 to 40 second hold per curl. So if you want to rush, this might not be your girl. So I just did that side off camera. And while that's sitting, I'm going to go in and take the pins out of this side. And I do let the other side cool completely off before I let them drop. But look how their hair looks, y'all. It's super full, super bouncy. And that color combo is eaten all the way down. I do take a wide tooth comb. I wish I had an even wider comb. And I start from the bottom and just comb them out. And this is the part where you can really play with it and form the curls to the way you want them. So that's on you, how if you want them to stay tight, if you want to be looser. Y'all see this? It's just so pretty, so full. Oh, this color is everything. I love this.
This is how the hair turns out, and it's definitely giving you the birthday, okay? It's nice and thick and full. The color is giving, what? The color is everything. Color eats down. Now, WowAngel did everything for you. You don't have to worry about the color. You don't have to worry about bleaching no knots. You don't have to worry about plucking. The only thing you have to do is install it and put your curls in, and you done. It's simple as that, okay? I don't know how much easier they're gonna make it for us. That's all I'm gonna say, y'all. This is super duper beautiful. I'm completely obsessed. I haven't washed it. This is installed straight out of the package, so same day install. You don't need to go to a salon. You don't need to do anything. All you need to do is put it on your head and let's get it and let's go, y'all. This is by far one of my favorite units, and y'all, it's summertime. It's gonna match perfect with the summer. I love how this wig makes me feel. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So also don't forget to check out the link in the description section. All the information in regards to this beautiful, beautiful unit will be listed there. And yeah, until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.